at the core of great neighborhoods is their creative community. And I give a massive shout out to Cliff and the team here at the Commons, because they've built a really unique home for the creators, the designers, and really thinking about the kinds of space that those smaller and integral businesses to a neighborhood like this need. They also have literally the coolest rooftop. It's the only co-working space I know that has its own basketball ring on the rooftop, because occasionally you need to shoot a hoop. Another interesting business in the neighborhood, as we look down the street here, you'll see a black-faced building on the corner down there. That's the home to Sabre Astronautics, I'm sorry. Sabre Astronautics are pioneers in Australia at space control systems. And what does that mean? So when you fly a satellite or launch a rocket, you need preeminent control systems. And Sabre are the only ones in Australia making solutions like that. So yeah, and so it's that building up of the many layers of what we have here.